Hey, today we'll see how to convert a scanned image into a editable text like this. See, you can edit them and it's like a Word document. You can do whatever you want. We can convert the scanned image into a proper Word document. Let's see how to do it. To do that, first go to Insert, Image. Let's insert the image into a Word document first. So I'm just gonna click Insert. So now we insert the image file into a Word document. So at this point we won't be able to edit anything because it's still the image file. Go to File, Save, change it to PDF and click Save. Click File, click here. It's gonna convert the PDF into editable Word document. Click OK. So boom, you got this editable Word document now. So now we converted this scanned image into a editable Word document. Now you can do whatever you want as you would do with a normal Word document. You can change that, you can save it as a PDF or you can save it as a Word. This is how you convert the image file into a Word document.